I always feel weird when I have my bedroom light on when I film, but it's 3 o'clock. It's like closer to 4 now. So it's essentially sunset. So I can have my window open. I saw a tutorial on how to do like a big old cat eye on eye shapes kind of like mine, where you're just kind of doing an illusion, and I want to try it. So hopefully a quick video today. And then I spend 30 minutes on brows. So based on how the tutorial went, I'm actually gonna have to do my face makeup first again. No fun for me. I don't really have to put as much primer on my forehead. My forehead skin is very smooth, and I don't really get a lot of oil production up there. All my oil production is here, so I'm like trying to be strategic. I like to put it there. I'm so sorry. I have to warm it up. Oh, it's like it thickens up just in the time that it's been out of my bra. It's got shea butter, it's a coconut and hibiscus one, and it's got shea butter and sunflower oil in it. I'm so sorry. Whew. These are the kind of things that make my aunt concerned about me. Okay, we're gonna watch the video. Oh, I'm gonna fail at this. Alright. Oh, this is gonna go poorly for me. But you're here, so I don't have to be alone with my own failure. Also, the fact that this is happening. Oh, like Lauren, Elise, please forgive me. Okay. Alright. We're gonna try and follow her directions. Bless me. No. Hold up. I have to use this applicator on this product. Whatever's happening right now, I fully blame on white supremacy. I mean, technically it did what I wanted it to do. But that's like technically. Oh, oh. God, I've got just like. Because I feel like things are matching. Meow. 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 Well, Megan, what are you doing today? I'm a cat. Maybe it'll look better with lashes, but I don't want to put lashes on until the end, so. We're gonna do the other eye, and then, there'll be less speaking. Make myself laugh, and that's truly what's important. I'm trying to do precision blending with a big old ball tip because I'm stupid. It's not occurred to you yet, Megan. You aren't backed. Dumb as hell. And it has, in fact, occurred to me, at least. I am, in fact, very dumb. But I'm also very beautiful. I'm gonna try doing all the steps with this one instead of using up. Holy cannoli. Jesus, that cannoli is biblical. Damn. There's no mirror. Get back over there. I'm gonna do my favorite thing, which is put product in my waterline of my opposite eye. Like, I can barely do eyeliner on my other eye, so that should be fun. I'm gonna be covered in black eyeliner. I'm gonna get out the shower. I'm just gonna be black from the nose down. That is what I deserve for my sins. Okay, don't hate it, but this is hardly what I was looking for when I decided to go with this tutorial. Oh, just looks like my normal makeup, and maybe I just already have. Maybe I didn't go big enough. Maybe I was a coward. My blatant refusal to wear highlighter. And then the highlighter. And then the eyeliner jump ship. Because absolutely fuck me. Sounds about right. I can't stop looking at my own eyes though. That's interesting. One of those days where it truly doesn't matter where I place my lash. It's all in the wing. It's all in the wing. To have it not be in the wing would be to have it fully in my crease at this point. Really told me Oh, where are you going, friend? Be proud of me, Mom. I went to the store and didn't buy another brown lip liner. Another new gloss, on the other hand, not so lucky. But it's baby steps. I'm taking baby steps. This one is in praline. And I've heard many good things about this one. Ooh. And I still managed to get lip liner. I managed to get eyeliner on my mouth. Let's go. Let's see. This one's ginger snapped and it's dark. And I'm not going anywhere. I'm not putting any mask on. And I should probably give it a fair chance to actually show up on me the right way with my weird discolored lips. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, what did that happen? Bitch, if you don't stay the fucking Kansas. So, that certainly did happen. I'm gonna put the video in the everything. I think it works better for her because everything on her, like her crease is artificial and everything. Like my eyes are already very closed off at the end. I already have very doll-like eyes. I just wanted this, and it's like this eye's giving it. She struggled. All right. I'm not even gonna cut away. So I'm gonna stunt and then I'll come back and we'll say our goodbyes. Because I set myself up for failure because I did one where I just kind of went into it. I didn't want to make the cut. So, learning from our mistakes. Okay, so that was fun. Send me TikToks and Instagram videos of things that are within my skill level that I should try because, I mean, it worked, but also, moving on. Who knows? I'm Megan_blush_ on all socials. You can find me. Yeah. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. All generally at blush_blush. Blush_blush, Megan_blush_ and you know, it's cool. And if you want to watch something else I've done, then you can check out these videos. Might be a suggested video again. Could be last week's video. Could be top of the week's video. Who knows? Thank you for watching. Bye!